Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Amazon app. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply see the person's icon at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to your home screen. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, make sure that you updated the latest version of Amazon. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now continue the video. You can see the option language that is next to your profile name at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on this, you can see the second option language. Tap on language, and you can just simply select the language that you want, and it is a way you can change language on Amazon app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.